With today's climate surrounding sexual assault in the military, those accused are often considered guilty until proven innocent by their command. The President, Vice President, Senators, and Congress have been pressing to make it easier to convict those accused of sexual assault in the military. If you're wrongfully accused of sexual assault, it's essential that you do not talk about the allegations to anyone, absolutely no one except your lawyer. The next thing you must do is find a lawyer who's experienced with sexual assault cases in the military, and not just someone who was in the JAG Corps or a former judge advocate. You need to find a lawyer who knows the military system, the changes in the National Defense Authorization Act, including the new Article 32 process, the new protections afforded the alleged victim, the changes to the rule on prior consistent statements. You need to find a lawyer who has years of experience in the military sexual assault system. Further, you should have absolutely no contact with the alleged victim. Oftentimes, before the government charges you with the offense, they will try to get the alleged victim to get you to admit to that offense. This is called a pretext call or email. What they will do is have the alleged victim call you and act upset. She'll say things like, "How could you have done this? Why did you keep going?" This conversation will always either be recorded or on a speakerphone with law enforcement taking notes. Even simple apologies will be used against you in court. Not only do they use the phone, but they will use this method with emails and text messages. Under no conditions should you communicate with the person accusing you of sexual assault. You should also create a memo for your lawyer outlining all the consensual sex acts you've engaged in with your accuser. Do not share this list with anyone. Write on the top of each page, attorney-client privilege, to my attorney. Now in this document, you should list all the times your partner has consented to sexual activity. Describe that activity in detail and estimate the date of such activity. The more detailed and accurate this document is, the more useful it is for your lawyer. You should also consider all the reasons why the sex acts you engaged in with the accuser were consensual. This includes specific consent given, verbal and non-verbal behaviors, actions, and responses during the sexual activities. Finally, you should make a list of all the reasons why the accuser would lie and falsely accuse you of sexual assault. You need to be as thorough and complete as possible. Again, do not share this list with anyone and mark it as attorney-client privileged. There's nothing more devastating than being falsely accused of sexual assault. It could destroy your career, your family, and your life. It's up to you to do everything in your power to provide your lawyer the information needed to assist defending you. Finally, it's critical that you not violate any restraining or protective order to speak with the alleged victim. There's absolutely nothing to gain by talking to him or her. Absolutely nothing. Do not let the case linger. Contact a military or civilian lawyer as soon as you're aware of the sexual assault investigation. Moving quickly is your best defense. I'm Will Hellickson. Thank you for your attention.